Today unboxing is on Tomica Premium, TakaraTomy Mall exclusive, Nissan Fairlady Z 300ZX Twin Turbo. The very first release was the mainline 300ZX back in 2016. You can see the distinctive difference between the box packaging. It's an old design. When the 300ZX was just released, it's not a casting that will immediately show up on the shelf, but 4 years plus later, it's quite hard to find this now on the pack, including the other releases. I guess it's the body color. It's sort of the mustard hue that doesn't really sit well with majority of the collectors back then. And 4 years plus later, the Z returned, this time in the TakaraTomy Mall or Tomica Shop exclusive. Tomica Premium has revitalized its packaging design with the 300ZX at 4 sides of the box. First impression, I'm quite surprised. I assumed the body color would be black, but it's not. It's in dark purple in pearl finish, and I'm quite pleased with this body color. The 300ZX is among the casting that is the most realistic. Clean paint job with plastic insert headlights and rear lights. Highlight is definitely on the rear with realistic details and very sharp livery in 1:60 scale. Spoiler is in plastic that is integrated with the main body in the same body color. I think that's a great job. Although I do hope that the body color is in black. The purple doesn't really disappoint. Realistic view sets without any opening parts that contributed to the realism. The body color is very premium in high gloss, and when compared to the mainline, the Japan exclusive definitely is looking better, and I'm very happy with the return of Nissan Fairlady Z. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!